my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So I'm very excited about today's video because it's going to be about one of my favorite places. So basically every girl's favorite place, which is Sarojini Nagar. Recently I've been to Sarojini Nagar to do some shopping, and this time I got really cool stuff from Sarojini Nagar. Also, if you're someone who doesn't know what Sarojini Nagar is, basically Sarojini Nagar is a flea market where you can get everything and anything in very cheap price, or I would say very affordable price. So if you are looking for something in budget, then you should definitely visit Sarojini Nagar. Also, the most convenient way to reach Sarojini Nagar is to take metro, and they also have their own station, that is Sarojini Nagar station. The exact distance from Sarojini Nagar metro station to Sarojini Nagar market is just 550 meters. So now let's not waste any more time and let's get jump into the video. So the first thing which I'm going to talk about is this, what I'm wearing right now. It's basically a shirt, or I would say it's a blouse. It has this embroidery thing going on, which looks really good. Just because of this embroidery thing, it's just changing the whole look of this top, and it has this balloon kind of sleeves. Also, the color of this top is off-white. I really love this top. The length of this top is like normal length, जो normal length होती है tops की. It's not too long और crop भी नहीं है ये. So basically ये मैंने अंदर shops जो होती हैं उसमें से लिया है, बाहर जो होता है उससे नहीं लिया. The material of this top is 100% cotton. So yeah, जब मैंने इसको देखा, I was like, I have to buy it. He was saying 400 something for this top, but I got this top for just rupees 250. And for 250, this is an amazing top. Material is great. Design of this top is great. As you can see, it has like buttons, so एक भी button ऐसा खराब नहीं था. और also was like 250 मुझे बहुत कम लग रहा था, but he gave me 250, so I got it. Next up is this shirt. I literally told you, you can get everything there. Just look at this shirt. Can anybody tell कि Sarojini Nagar से ली है? Just wow. It's kind of a vintage shirt. I feel like it's giving vintage kind of vibes. So let's start from the collar. The collar has like different texture. It has like small squares everywhere and has this triangle pattern. Also, the material of this collar and this part of the shirt is kind of different, and I literally don't know what material it is, but it's very soft. As you can see, it's like a shiny kind of material, not like वैसे वाला जो बहुत ज़्यादा shine करता है. Basic shine, like as you can see. The length of the shirt is like regular shirts. It's not crop one, so you can style the shirt in different ways. You can wear this in office, or if you want to go for a party, then also you can wear it. It's literally very beautiful shirt. Just take a moment and appreciate the material of the shirt. And the shirt also has like cute buttons. जब मैंने इस शर्ट को देखा था, I was afraid कि इसका एक भी बटन टूटा ना हो, because exact buttons कहीं नहीं मिलते हैं. I paid 300 for this shirt. इस शर्ट के साथ ये हुआ था, वो पैसे ही नहीं कम कर रहा था, and he was constantly नहीं 600 का ही देंगे, कम का नहीं देंगे. But finally वो 300 में मान गया. And I can literally picture myself wearing it in different style, and I'm so excited to wear it. And बेसिकली सरोजिनी नगर मार्केट में आपको फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बार्गेन करना आना चाहिए. अगर सब लोग सोचते हैं कि कितना प्राइस हमको बताना चाहिए, तो इफ द पर्सन इज आस्किंग यू टू पे 500 फॉर समथिंग यू वांट टू बाय, आपको उसका हाफ प्राइस बोलना चाहिए हमेशा, लाइक 250. ऑल्सो इट्स अबाउट साइकोलॉजी. कुछ अगर आपको लगता है कि हाँ ये कम कर सकता है, तो ट्राई टू डू दैट. एंड अगर लगता है कि हाँ आप इस टॉप के लिए इतना दे सकते हैं, तो जस्ट बाय इट. अदर देन दैट एक दो बार ट्राई कर लिया करो, कुछ लोग दे देते हैं. बट आई विल सजेस्ट कि obviously, as you can see, because of this pandemic, not try too hard to bargain. You all know कि उनको बहुत ज़्यादा लॉस हुआ है. So it's better कि एक दो कपड़े कम ले लो और ज़्यादा बार्गेन ना करें, because उन लोगों के लिए तो वही it's their job. So बाकी it's up to you, but I would say like if something is in your budget, you can afford that, then don't try to bargain so much. And I think that is the least we can do. So yeah. Next up is this spaghetti top. Basically, I was not looking for any kind of spaghetti top, but I saw there and I thought like there were so many spaghetti top in different colors. Then I thought like I should buy one or two. So I got this in like basic black color. Also, I got in this color also. which I really love. It's like very basic ribbed spaghetti, and it has this V-neck going on, and it has this one strap which is not adjustable. The length of the spaghetti top is kind of cropped. Mainly I got these two to wear at home because they are very comfortable. They both are of 100 rupees, like I paid 50 for each. So I've seen exactly this kind of spaghetti top in H&M, and here I just got this in 50 rupees. So next up is this very beautiful black bodycon dress. Let's talk about material first. The material of this dress is so great, I can't even tell you, like it's so soft. Basically, like bodycon dresses are kind of dresses which hugs your body completely, so sometimes you feel very suffocated, but in this dress the material is so soft. It's like very breathable material. And also see the brand, it says it is from H&M and I got this from Sarojini Nagar. जब आप सरोजनी नगर में शॉपिंग करने जाते हैं तो मेक श्योर आप ड्रेस अगर खरीद रहे हैं तो हर चीज उसका चेक करें. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि हम लोग ध्यान से देखते नहीं, हम लोग सिर्फ स्टाइल देख लेते हैं कि या इट्स लुकिंग ग्रेट एंड वी बाय इट, एंड व्हेन वी रीच होम एंड फाइंड लाइक देयर आर होल्स और समथिंग इज मिसिंग from dress, top or anything. So make sure when you are buying something, उसको अच्छे से scan it and then buy it. I'm really happy with this dress and it looks really sexy. And 200 for this dress I think is great. Next up is this blue denim skirt. It says it belongs to Levi's. It has like 4 pockets, 2 in front, 2 in back. There was a shop in Sarojini where they were selling only skirts, shorts, jeans. बहुत अच्छी और skirts थी, but मुझे ये सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी. It has this ribbed thing going all over, and it also has like 3 buttons. And yeah, it looks wonderful. The material and everything is great. So talking about the price, I remember he was asking 500 for this skirt, and I got this in 300 rupees. So I'm happy with everything which I purchased. Also guys, there is one thing which I would like to say. I've seen my YouTube data. So the number of people who are watching the video has not subscribed to my channel. So I just want to say one thing, that it takes a lot of effort and lot of hard work to make a video and to edit and everything. And your one subscription will be a huge support for me. So that's all I wanted to say. If you like the video, you know what you have to do. Like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Till then, take care.